Hi everyone, I'm Anushka. I'm a final year law and politics student at Cardiff University, and today I'm going to be showing you a day in my life. I've got a few things which I need to do today. First off, I've got one lecture of Law of the European Union. After that, I have to go to court for a support report, which is a pro bono scheme. Once I'm done with that, I have to work on my politics essay, which is due soon. And then I'll probably do a quick meeting with the Asian Law Students Association, or ALSA, which is a student society, and end the day off with my dance class. So come along with me for my day.
So I just got done with class. I'm quickly headed home now. I got some Gregs on the way back, and I'm gonna get changed and head to court. Hi, so I just got done with court and it ran a bit late, but that usually ends up happening. We end up having to fill out client record forms and stuff like that. It's always just such a rewarding experience. I love going in. I'm headed home now. I have to have a quick meeting and then I will go for my dance class. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry So I finished my meeting, went to dance class. Ended up running into a few friends, so I quickly grabbed a sweet treat with them. I am not too hungry at the moment, so I'm just eating some fruit and protein shake for dinner while I work on my essay. Then I'll probably head to bed. Thank you so much for coming with me on my day today.